Each and every. Each and every are similar in meaning. Often it is possible to use each or every. Each time or every time I see you, you look different. There's a telephone in each room or every room of the house. But each and every are not exactly the same. Study the difference. Each and every. We use each when we think of things separately, one by one. Study each sentence carefully. Study the sentences one by one. We use every when we think of things as a group. The meaning is similar to all. Every sentence must have a verb. All sentences in general. Each is more usual for a small number. There were 4 books on the table. Each book was a different color. Every is more usual for a large number. Carol loves reading. She has read every book in the library. All the books. Each, but not every, can be used for 2 things. In a football match, each team has 11 players. Not every team. We use every, not each, to say how often something happens. There's a bus every 10 minutes. Not each 10 minutes. Everyone and everyone. Everyone, one word, is only for people. Everyone enjoyed the party. Everyone, 2 words, is for things or people, and is similar to each one. He is invited to lots of parties, and he goes to every one. To every party. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.